Okay, guys, let's go back on the activities on from the learning logbook. Okay, we're going to focus on page 104, exercise number 5. Okay, in this exercise, let's get into teams of 3 and discuss the answers to the following questions. Obviously, this activity we're doing it individually, so here you're going to discuss it by your own, okay, according to what you think. And you have to answer the following questions, not in the book. Don't answer them in the book. No, answer them in a white sheet of paper. Put exercise number 5 and put 1. Write down the question and write down your answer. Do it in a white sheet of paper, recycled paper, or in your old notebook. Remember to put the date, today's date, and the page 104. Okay, the question says 1. What happens to water during the different stages of the water cycle? What happens to water during the different stages of the water cycle? What happens to the water? Does someone knows? We saw it in the videos, we saw it in the information previously. You made a mind map about it. You did several activities about it. Okay, now please answer that. Okay, number 2. Why is it important to understand that the water cycle? Why do you think it's important to know the water cycle? Okay, why? Even though we use it, but why do you think it's important? Okay, number 3. What are some dangers of excessive water consumption? What are the dangers of using too much water in our world? Okay, think of what's happening nowadays. Okay, this activity, please, like I say, do it in an old notebook or in a white sheet of paper, please. And I will give you 10 minutes to do this activity. Okay, let me set the timer on, so get ready. Also, I need you to answer with long sentence, not only one word. Oh, because danger. Oh, because of this. No, long sentence. Okay, with currents, with a understandable letter. Okay, for the answers, use pencil. Remember to check your spelling. Use the dictionary at home. Use the internet to check your spelling. Don't translate in Google, no, because sometimes Google doesn't give you the correct translation. So please, guys, do it in long sentences. Okay, maximum 10, minimum 5 sentences. Okay. let's go back a little bit one page, okay, and let's do the self-awareness that's on page 103. Remember, all the activities that are extra and you don't have space on the learning logbook to do it, do it in a white sheet of paper or in an old notebook. Self-awareness awareness says water is considered a renewable resource. Nevertheless, there is currently an important concern about its excessive consumption around the world. Have you implemented any measures to save water at home? If so, what are they? I want you to tell me once you finish the other activity from page 104, activity number 5. Beneath that exercise, you need to do self-awareness, and I need you to answer those questions. What are your ways of measurement of using too much water? Okay, I want you to see this video that there's so many people around the world that uses a lot of water, and what is happening in some countries or places that the water is running out, and like always we have to recycle because water is essential for life. Without water, I don't know what would happen, because we use water almost for everything, to drink, water to take a shower, water to water the car, to wash the car, water to plants, for the plants. Okay, you use water in many things, and water is like life. Okay, it's like electricity. Electricity is also important. So I want you to put your personal skills on these questions and try to make your best to write them down. Okay, your answers. Remember long sentences, please. For this activity, you will have 5 minutes, and then you can watch the video.